This exercise is the 5-4-7 breathing. That means we're going to inhale for 5, hold for 4, exhale for 7. So generally speaking, if your exhalation is longer than your inhalation, that helps to calm the nervous system down. Before we start, make sure you do a quick assessment to see if this exercise is good for you. I'm doing it standing right now. If it's not quite as good for you right now, you might want to try seated or even lying down and see how that works. But it is a fantastic exercise to calm your nervous system down and also in general improve your breathing habits. So again, we're going to inhale for a count of 5. We're going to hold for a count of 4. And we're going to exhale on a count of 7. So here we go. You first start, relax your shoulders. Make sure you're always using your diaphragm specifically for the inhalation. So you're really expanding the lower rib cage, not just the belly, yes, but also in the back. So also your rib cage and some movement in the back. So let's get started. So first, just kind of do a couple inhale, exhale, making sure you widen the rib cage. And then we're going to start with the count of 5. Inhale. Hold for 4. Exhale for 7. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Inhale, again expanding here. Hold. And exhale. Feel how your rib cage comes all the way back together. Inhale, expand. Hold. And exhale. Good. And regular breathing. So make sure the shoulders stay relaxed. You're really utilizing your diaphragm for your breathing. Let's take a quick reassessment, see how you do. If this exercise is currently too much threat for you, you might want to sit down, or you might want to actually shorten a little bit the numbers. You can also go 3 or 4, inhale, hold for 2, make the exhale just longer than the inhalation, and build your way up to the numbers that we just did here, because most of us are not breathing efficiently in the day-to-day life actually, and a lot of my clients don't realize they're holding their breath. So you should be able to do this. You might just have to train for it. So give it a try.